We've been on an amazing journey across the country, building a nationwide movement. So far, 5 small towns have received a major revitalization boost.
Paige Turner is leading an all-star team with Russell Holmes, Carmine Sabatella, and Mike Powell.
Yes.
Continuing the momentum of this incredibly ambitious cross-country project.
Oh my God.
This is Hometown Kickstart.
Russell, we're almost to Minden.
I know, I can't wait.
So humbling that we're actually on this journey with them to kickstart this sweet town. Go check it out. We can do something with that. Here's what I'm thinking. Put up a wall and create a new storage area. Then we'll add some versatile tabletops and seating. Russell's only with me for a couple of more days, so I'm going to make sure that I maximize his construction skills.
We got a call from HGTV. They got a nice show. They're rehabbing this little town. And we are doing a very cool project for a little restaurant.
Baby's done.
We really want to thank the Counterintelligence Group for coming out and helping us with this special project and helping us kickstart things. We are so excited to have the bar top that's going to be in the restaurant, Geaux Fresh, and even the countertop that's going to be in our residential home. Seeing the artistry and seeing how much work and love is put into this. I just really appreciate you guys so much and can't wait to work with you guys again soon.
You have given to this entire town. There's not a place I go that doesn't say how amazing you are, okay?
Yep.
So this is for you from all of us, right?
I could have never figured out how to design anything like this. I mean, I just couldn't.
So this is a 22-foot long epoxy finish, hand-carved top for you. Got USB electrical underneath so everyone can plug in their laptops.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Thank y'all so much.
Oh, we're so happy. Thank you for all you do. This is one of the most moving things I've ever done. It's really changed my life. And it's really kind of boosted me to even do more because she's giving so selflessly that I want to, do the same.